Uh, Hi guys. So this video tutorial is about the new chapter called the time and work, right? So previously we had completed our chapter called direct and inverse variation. So this is a continuation of this the same chapter, but focused mostly on the inverse variation, I believe. Okay, and with the help of this chapter we will be able to complete difficult sums. So various kind of questions can be asked, like the question which I have displayed on the screen over here, as you can see over here. Now this is not about whether it's a direct variation or inverse variation. This is about a two-person working together, or two-person working in different time or different number of days. They can complete in how many number of days. That kind of question will be asked. Like in the first example with us is A can complete the task in 10 days and B can complete in 15 days. How long will they complete to? How long will they complete if they work together? Now see over here, this is the new part of in the sum. So I'll show you how it's done actually. So A can complete the task in 10 days. So I'll write A, okay. As since I'm using a mouse to write, so to write a word will be very difficult. So I'll use this arrow which will indicate A completes the work in 10 days. Okay, 10 days. Similarly, B can also complete the work in 15 days. 15 days. Okay, now they're asking how long will they take to complete the work if they work together. So you simply cannot add 10 and 15 over here and then say 25 days will they work together. No, that is completely wrong. So I'll show you how it's done. So you have to find first is, okay, 1 day work. In 1 day, how much work can A complete? What part of the work can A complete? Over here you are doing one job, so complete work is considered to be as 1 out here. Okay, one whole job. They are doing one job over here, so 1 is considered to be a complete job. So A's 1 day work will be 1 by 10. Similarly, B's 1 day work. B's 1 day work will be nothing but 1 by 15. 1 by 15. So in A's 1 day work, A works for 1 day and he completes 1/10 of the work. Similarly, B works for 1 day, he completes 1/15 of the work out of 1. Out of 1, they complete 1 by 10 and 1 by 15. So 1 is considered to be the complete work out here. Okay. Now next they are saying how long will they take to complete the work if they work together. So you simply need to add A plus B's. Okay, A and B's 1 day work. You have to find A and B's 1 day work. So how much is it? A's 1 day work is 1 by 10. Okay, plus B's 1 day work is equals to 1 by 15. So add this two. So LCM will be 30, I believe. Is it not? So 10 into 3 is equals to 30. Similarly, 3 is equals to 3 into 1 is equals to 3, plus 15 into 2. Okay, 15 into 2 is equals to 30. 2 into 1 is equals to 2. So you'll be left with 3 plus 2 is equals to 5 by 30, which can be simplified further. 5 1 is 5, 5 into 6 equals to 30. So therefore answer is 1 by 6. So A and B's, A, okay, A plus B's 1 day work, if they work together in 1 day, they can complete in 6 days. Now in how many days will they complete the work? It's very easy. You just simply need to reciprocate this. So A and B, A plus B, you can write A plus B also. Okay, A plus B can complete the work. Now see over here, can complete the work after getting A plus B's 1 day work. Okay, they can complete in 6 by 1 will become 6 days. You understood? Very simple. I'll revise it again. How long? A can complete the work in 10 days, B can complete in 15 days. So A can complete in 10 days, B in 15 days. What are they doing? They are doing one same job they are doing. So this is considered to be as one whole job. Okay. Or this one job, A is 1 day work you have to find. So A is 1 day work will be very simple. One whole work divided by number of days taken. So 1/10 of the work can be completed by A in 1 day. Similarly, B also can complete 1/15 of the work in 1 day. In 1 day, B completes 1/15. So we have to find togethers, A and B's togethers, 1 day work. Simply add A's 1 day work, B's 1 day work. So you add this two, you'll get 1/6. So A plus B's 1 day work equals to 1/6. Alright. So they can complete the work in. So complete work they can do it in 6 days. In 6 days this will reciprocate. 1/6 will reciprocate and you will get 6 days. Alright, so this is a very easy sum. Do not worry, I'll do one more sum. Similar kind. Okay, the next question with us is Anup can do the job in 16 days. So I'll write over here. Anup completes the work in 16 days. This is what they're saying. One work. This is one work. 16 days. I'll write one out here. One is considered to be whole. What part of the job will he do in 1 day? So Anup's first answer. Anup's 1 day work is nothing but 1/16. So see, finished. And what part of the job will remain unfinished after 12 days? So Anup is also working not just for 1 day, Anup's 12 days. So he works for 12 days. Is it not? Anup's 12 days work will be what? Similarly, 1/16 multiplied by number of days he worked, that is 12. You will get 12/16, which can be simplified. 2 into 6 equals to 12. 2 into 8 is equals to 16. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 2 into 4 is equals to 8. So 3/4. In 12 days he completes the job, but he does not complete the job. He finishes 3/4 of the work. He finishes the work only if he works for 16 days. So remaining days are still there, is it not? So what is the remaining work? Work completed is 3/4, is it not? So they are saying what part of the job will remain unfinished. So you have to find, as you can see over here, in 12 days he works, he completes 3/4 of the work. He has not completed. In 16 days he will complete. There are 4 more days left. So how much work is still unfinished? Still remaining work is there. In order to find the remaining work, I'll write RW. Okay, very simple. As I told you at that time, 1 is considered to be the complete work, is it not? 1 is considered to be the complete work. So complete work is 1, and then he completes in 12 days how many work? 3/4 of the work. He completes 3/4 of the work. Subtract this two to LCM method, you will get 4 minus 3 divided by 4. That means unfinished work is 1/4. Still 1/4 of the remaining, 1/4 of the work is still remaining. Is that what they are asking? Yes, they are asking remaining work. He works for 16 days, he completes the work. Okay, he works for 1 day, he finishes 1/16 of the work. He works for 12 days, he finishes 3/4 of the work. And they are saying what is still, how much is still remaining? 4 days still he does not work. There's still remaining days, and of course their remaining work is also not completed. So you need to find complete work is 1 minus 3/4, the work which he had completed in 12 days. Subtract this 2, you'll get 1/4. So therefore the remaining work is equals to 1/4. Okay, I hope you have understood. Very simple. If you haven't revised, go back to this video and watch again, you'll understand. Alright, next. Okay, now slowly things will become a little bit difficult. Now this is considered to be a little difficult sum. I would like you to do this sum after some time. The first 2 sums which I have completed, do the sums of that similar kind. I'll give you assignments. Okay, do that sum first, and then only you move on to this sum. Alright, The next question over here is A and B can do a job in 16 days and A alone can do it in 24 days. If they work together for 6 days and then B went away, for what reason we don't know. How long will A take to complete the unfinished job? Alright, so this is a little bit difficult, but then no need to worry. Let's gather information. A and B can do a job in 16 days. So A plus B, they complete the work in 16 days. 16 days. He completes the work in 16 days. Now A alone can do it in 24 days. This information is not required right now. If they work together, so they are working together for 6 days, okay? So let's just find first A plus B's 1 day work. First let's find A plus B's 1 day work. Let's find A plus B's 1 day work will be very simple, 1 by 16. In 1 day they complete 1 by 16 of the work. But in now are they working for 1 day only? No, they're saying if they work together for 6 days. That means I have to find A plus B's 6 days work. I have to find A plus B's 6 days work. Okay, how much will they complete? 1 day work multiplied by how many days they are working? 6. So you'll get 6 by 16, which can be simplified. 2 into 3 is equals to 6. 2 into 8 is equals to 16. So 6 day, they work for 6 days and they complete the work. That is 3/8 of the work is completed out of 1. Alright, then B went away. Alright, B is not doing the job. B left the job. For what reason? We have no idea. See over, B went away. How long did A take to complete the unfinished job? The two things to be considered over here. There is an unfinished work that I have to find, and after finding unfinished work, we have to consider that that unfinished work is completed by A alone, because B has left the job, is it not? So I need to find remaining work. In the same way like before, I have to find remaining work. So remaining work means 1 is considered to be the complete work. I told you, because they are doing one job over here. One job could be like cleaning the class, one whole job, or building a house. One building a house. One building they are doing it. Okay, 1 is considered to be a complete work, and they are working for 6 days over here, and they complete 3/8 of the work. So subtract this. If you subtract this, you'll get unfinished work. So how much will you get? Find the LCM of these two. You get 8 minus 3 divided by 8. Okay, so I think you'll get 3 minus 8 is how much? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You'll get 5 by 8 is the unfinished job. Therefore, the remaining work over here is 5 by 8. Okay, let's go back to the question now. I've got remaining work. Now let's read the again over. A alone can do the job in 24 days. So had it been A, had there been only A, he would have finished the job in 24 days. That is what we know, which we have not utilized that. And they worked together first to finish. B went away. How long did A take to complete the unfinished job? Unfinished job is just now we got 5 by 8. This is completed by A. This unfinished job is done by A alone since B has left. So A completes the work in remaining work, okay, multiplied by A alone. If had it been A alone, how many days you have taken? You would have taken 24 days. So you have to multiply with A alone, A's number of days taken to finish the job. Remaining work multiplied by A's time taken to complete the job. That is 24 days. So 8 into 1 is 8. 8 into 3 is equals 24, I guess. 8, 1, 8, 2, 3 is 24. 5 into 3 is equals to 15 days. So remaining work done by A, time taken is 15 additional days is required to finish the whole job or the remaining work. Have you understood? Please watch this question. Please watch the same question again. Go back and then watch from the beginning. You'll definitely understand. I stopped this video over here. I'm going to make one more video covering the similar kind of sum. Thank you.